Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that this is what everyone is waiting today, and it is the FOMC meeting and the result, how big the rate cut will be. Because now we're talking about the rate cut, but is it 25 or is it 50 basis points, and what can happen if 25 or if 50? So let's talk about that. Then the second thing I would like to talk about is all about Microsoft and Blackrock form a group to raise $100 billion to invest in AI data centers and power. So AI could be actually hot in the future. Then we have Singapore's largest bank, DBS, launching Bitcoin and crypto options for institutions. And finally, I have a performance for you. What exactly? I'm going to show you in a second. And yeah, guys, don't forget, every single day, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And yeah, let's do it. Okay, and let's have a look at the market. So Bitcoin is actually up 1.2%, 59,694 at the moment, but we were above 60. So the market is kind of volatile right now before the FOMC meeting. And yeah, Ethereum a bit down, 0.67%, 2,300, put it this way. And yeah, well, what is going up? Nervous Network up 13%, Celestia almost 5%, and Beam 3%. When we're looking at the top losers, Helium down 6%, Aave 5%, and Maker 4.5%. Let's have a look at the candlestick chart. Well, we can see that yesterday we had again a nice green candle, and it went all the way up to $61,373. As you can see, we have this trend line, and exactly we turned back at the trend line. Well, I was watching it also. If we break above it, you know, close above it, that would be nice. But now, because of the market situation right now, kind of undecided. So now we're waiting for the result, and after the market will a little bit settle. But today, I believe it's going to be volatile. Right. And now let's talk about the options. What we have: 50, 25 basis points. So let's talk about it. So we have actually different kind of opinions, because, for example, this one here is all about that, 50 basis point cut could trigger a sell-off as it signals a worrying sign for the economy. So one party is saying, this is coming from one person, but like generally speaking, so one party is saying that if there will be a 50 basis point rate cut, this would be just too much. If you remember, Elizabeth Warren just asked for 75 basis point rate cut, but that would show the US economy in a very, very bad situation, to be honest with you, even if it's just too late or something, but like they have to be careful about this. Probably they should start it a bit earlier with 25 basis points, but now, so this is the question, what's happening with this? The 25 would be maybe a more gently start, but then we have another opinion that crypto poised for a boost if Fed cuts rate by 50 basis points. So if the Fed cut rates just 25 basis points, crypto will likely fall along with that. This is what the CEO of crypto hedge fund Asymmetric, Joe McCann, is saying. So as you can see, we have like different kind of opinions. Some saying a 50 basis point would be great for crypto, and some others saying that actually no, 25 would be better for a slow start. So we haven't had this for a long time. If you remember, we had this FOMC meeting, and every single time it was major boring. Nothing happened, pause. And the last rate cut was actually 4 years ago. So if you're looking at this is a long-awaited thing, and now we're really talking about a rate cut and not the possibility of, let let me refresh this. Sometimes these blue bars are not working for me, but down here I can zoom in and see that 65% goes to a 50 basis point rate cut and 35 for a 25 basis point, right? So this is what we have at the present on the day of the FOMC meeting on the 18th of September. And in a couple of hours, which going to be the Eastern time, 2:30 p.m., but that will be the press conference, but at 2 p.m. Eastern time, the result going to come out. So yeah, we're going to see what's going to happen exactly, but if you're looking at this here historically, you can see that last time when we had rate cuts, okay, you cannot compare like 2019 and 20 to 2024. I do know it's a different situation. However, when we're looking at here the rate cuts, we could see that Bitcoin price started to go up actually quite nicely after that. Yes, I do know there was pandemic and all these kind of other things, but this also could have an impact on the liquid markets, which more risky investments, because when the rate's going down, many investors turn to these ones, and that can boost the market. Not straight away, like in the next day or something like that. Don't get me wrong here. But the direction where we're going, how 2025 could be, these kind of things, because this is just a start, what's going to happen today. And then probably there will be other rate cards through the year. So, yeah. But maybe the start is today for that. If you have any idea what it will be, let me know in the comment section. In the evening, if I find out, I will let you know. Right. Okay. Now let's zoom on, because AI is still hot because big companies are definitely investing in it. So AI could stay as a hot narrative, even for the crypto market, to be honest with you, because what I can see, there's a lot of investment. We do know how NVIDIA is growing, so they doing a pretty good job. And now we have Microsoft Blackrock form a group to raise 100 billion to invest in AI data centers and power. So basically, Microsoft and Blackrock are part of a group of companies collaborating to pull together 100 billion US dollar to develop data centers for artificial intelligence and energy infrastructure to power them. And the group aims to assemble 30 billion US dollar of initial capital, with the future goal of bringing up to 100 billion, including from debt financing. So we can see that AI is hot and they're really working on it. AI is part of the future. Therefore, I believe that AI related things could be also hot in the bull market. But are you agree, disagree? You can let me know. And yeah. Third thing I would like to talk about is another big bank. The biggest bank in Singapore is also into crypto business now. So I'm talking about DBS, and DBS Bank. It's about to launch Bitcoin and crypto options for institutions. So basically, this is Singapore's largest bank, and DBS will begin offering OTC Bitcoin and crypto option trading for institutional clients in this year in Q4. And when we're talking about this bank, they hold over $260 billion worth of assets. That's what they have under management. So they are kind of big, and we can see that more and more banks opening up in this direction. They would like to take a piece of this crypto cake and having different kind of approach. This is what actually these guys have. Okay, and finally, as I promised, I have exclusive performance for you guys. What it is exactly, I'll show you in a second. So talking about Singapore, now a major conference is in Singapore. It's Token 2049. And Vitalik Buterin was on the stage. And guess what? He was saying, I like this guy. He's in some way he is a weirdo, because, sometimes he do his moves, doing some dancing on stage. And now he decided to sing. So let me show you exactly how the performance went.
And its properties are far better than all the rest of them. It's mathematical, no more double spend, it's encryptable. Put your cash in your brain or it's bearable. A new form of wealth begins.
Yeah, well, I leave it to you guys, what you saying. There are lots of comments on these, and you know, it's just like spread through X platform. You know, this guy's actually saying that, guys, I think Ethereum might actually going to zero. I don't get it. Why these performances are happening, why he's not just talking about Ethereum and all these kind of things. But I think it's part of him. When it comes to dancing, singing, I wouldn't say that he's a talent in this, or he has a singing talent, a great voice, but I think we all accept Vitalik as he is, and fingers crossed for Ethereum, to be honest with you. Right. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. When the result is out, also I bringing a short video for sure when we know it's 25 or 50 basis points. So subscribe to this YouTube channel and you won't miss a single thing. If you like this kind of content, definitely hit the like button, and see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.